Body isolations are super important for dance. We use them in jazz and hip hop when we talk about isolating our muscles for like popping and how we contract and release. We isolate our heads when we're talking directionals. In tap, we isolate our ankles in order to execute faster tap moves. Over the next 2 weeks, we are going to be breaking down each part of our body and going over each of the movements that each body part can do. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we start with our head and our neck. I will see you then.